Kailanganin kuporkan paras may kumagichin kam kumay sang rayon Pohnpei, purin kaping sarawayan Pohnpei kan, may chabiya sama programa kan elements sang kapon language. Nan station village payo one clock is two, may clock is two, chetan kitla ogachin mali pene program and roman weekage nan legislature. Ang tapen pakai panangan san may pukan sang rayon tourist. Orientors mensagrad way bukan marano chilai silista kaya ko bacho Japan pwechikchigalan stawa kanan orientors. Kung kakan kashta bachota basani tawasaman kapuyakan ranwach. Akong takachyasangan so wafka chali chagan incentive sokan. Price pound isak chalay 2,000 isak limao. Price pound isak chalat isak 2,000 isak limao. Super ramen chalak 5,000 isak limao. Okay, Ochoki for ramen, Chalawanos and fries the Glamao case. Nutrition biscuit, Chalai Sakisus and with the Glamao case. Coffee, Chalawiol with the Glamao, fresh milk, Real by the Glamao. Vegetable line, every Saklamao, soyo, every Saklamao, power soap, Century Saklamao Neo. Chalai Saksilueo case. I change tissue, chala solution sa klimaw package. Butane ka stop, chala sa kisusen to sa klimaw set. Pero ko mo school, may bandit ka po chichiglan. Notebook, may sisak, chala sa klimaw, niyo. Composition book, chala sa klimaw. Pencil, chala sa klimaw package. Sharpener, 12 count, chala and sa package. School backpack, chala sa quota. Lunch box, chala sa quota. Porcelain pin, chala sa Pakarot sang reendorse management. Ang rainakan, may paniwin sa buran watch. Reendorse ban discount ang kabuelkan mesan saler. Kailangan ang tuman pakai makanangin san yung position niya mapit legislative clerk. Vacancy announcement closing date August 14. It is the policy of the legislature that appointment staff of the legislature shall be based solely on qualification and experience. In making appointments, first consideration will be given to those applicants who are Pohnpei citizens only after it has been determined that there are no qualified Pohnpei citizens interested in the position. Shall second consideration be given to the FSM citizens, and third to be given US citizens and other third country citizens. Position and salary, legislative clerk, available level. Step 1 to 3, number of position, office of legislative clerk of the legislature. Legislative clerk shall be under the supervision of chief clerk. Specifically, a legislative clerk shall collect bills, resolution, reports, and information from members of the legislature, distribute the same to the members, prepare and maintain files for individual members, assist members of the legislature on obtaining materials, information, and services, have sufficient proper computer literacy to perform such functions, assist the legislative chief clerk during a session, and other services that the chief clerk deems necessary, and perform other legislative duties as assigned. Qualification must be a school graduate with excellent communication and technical skills, along with experience in administrative duties, proficient in computer software, and at least 2 years of work-related experience. Application form can be obtained and returned to the Division of Administration and Budget of the Pohnpei Legislature no later than closing date August 14, 2026 at 5 p.m. Game chào tụi mình có cái instance along from Waikan, some radio on Pohnpei, V6AH. Kechaiban katlaw mga ipina program pasantikan elements ng drama choyet program and drama weekends ng legislature iban sa ni na sa Pohnpei.
Iyang o kasalelye Pohnpei. Mechi program magandang tansang ni option speaker rin pinanggo ko sa net kaysa kayo. And Pohnpei, puwenda Pahrek Pwuhng iran po itanda daw kan, may apol pa uyawiya o irakasang walchilikan, may sobay Legislature. Ermoni ban pa chawan dola, ichungalan kisa kakmisik wow, kan pupurong molan wow ilaylan Pohnpei. Puligi wow, likay ko, nanadang ko, o nantunyikan. Ichungal wow, tawa kabinan Wayne Pohnpei. Speaker o Pwuhng and Legislature kaysa kayo. Kariyawang kabina, songkobong labalap and Wayne Pohnpei, o yawamang songkobong kam. O bilpolik wow, o taken Pukakaiti o pinipiltakan and siya momotso o government and wave ako ng Pohnpei. H1 rama on kaping payama o John Pohnpei unsat sang palimese padikapi o wow kulig kumain ako makayri kayo ligin kalan. Nikulak isak manage isak tauli and remain sangan July isak isu pagyakin isak Pwuhng. Pwuhng and go ko sa net kaysa eo. Tachawan siya lang nang sa palmaray siya lamalang chorol kari sa tuwa na pasang siya lamalang pila kolonya. Sa pamachay speaker Kadkadaur lolo sang vice speaker Senator Abraham. Apoy kiyam quorum a irabukas may right kasing kachi o apwadi. Irakayo standing counter coach ng best deputy sa kisu Labinyal sa Pwuhng, mabit ititan Mr. Edsel Elias on position and legislative chief clerk, pwede kabinsalita na Mr. Charles Johnson. And sansan na Mr. Elias tatawagan from the state legislators tangan barrio riyakit isu o kamiti kamilin na Mr. Elias pachawan kakta tatawagan. Report sang Senator Nelbert Perez, nagpachuangya Chairman and Judiciary and Governmental Operations, o usus piyawiya ni usus isak tuwaw A o riyaw so. Standing County Reports ng Beskipwi isak walo, labinyagri isak Pwuhng, magkawawit tato, magkamtihan Resources and Development pachayong naglalan ninduan, karong-rong o irailakan may pachoto, o yang kaway kamudang kasunod ng dagpapitay sa tuwaw na bunyari sa Pwuhng. Robot kawaway kuchalan kasorela comeback exception may pachapan kasunod and foreign investment law pwede enten mengay ong John Stop Chikan of Milit America. Pwede iralente paibas kasunod na may inapoy John Way rente yang via business kan memen Pohnpei kalir kakuya. Robot sang Senator Bill Edward Mapachongya Chairman and Resources and Development. Standing County Reports ng Beskipwi sa tuwaw labilyan sa Pwuhng may tanong pagpag may sang delegation in Sokes o Senator Dionisio Simon. Sokes delegation o Senator Dionisio Simon pachawan pagi Pilihan sa mini square meter balikit and kachikala apachore sang demakit. Kawait kan me honorable senators kan pachawan kawait pener o report watch pachawan kawandalang o yakupur and morin ranwatch. Standing counter watch ng bestip ko walisat level niya sa Pwuhng, mebit orar the landfill o tao and nan-match kinagap matalaning o pwede giray senators kan apan Pahrek at robot watch pan kapandala o yakupur and ranwatch. Standing on the report, members the Pwuhng kayo labinya sa Pwuhng, mabit ititan Mr. Edsinger Elias on Public Land Trust Board of Trustee. Report what sang Senator Sonship Edgar, Nabachonya Chairman and Sab, o Usus Kuyawiya ng Usus Release A o EUSO. Iragaryaw ipil kalanda. Kamutan ko sa net na bebab ko kay sa tuwaw, labinya sa Pwuhng, ong karyaw o kayo sa klamatawat na bit iray US natural born citizens kalir. And nga kasamat business kan, mag-child Pohnpei which kapanuya. Report what sang Senator Bill Edward, Pwuhng Chairman and Resources and Development, o Usus Kuyawiya ng Usus Release A. Kamutan ko sa net na slip ko rin sa kwali mo labinyari sa Pwuhng, when akwali billion sa may right delegation and so kaya sa Senator Dionysio Simon, irawat kapadala ko ay report yung kakpacho ito na kamutan ko sa net. Irakasdo yung resolution calendar. Kamutan kapag nababawali sa kwali mo labinyari sa Pwuhng, may akwali one morning yung mawait na tabanin no minimin sa ladat ng bungan boy na basam o Amerika, makatsura la wanchala milyon sidu panen rekat isipip dahil sa kwalo. When akwali ananin tangkan bil, naban akwali kichon boy Pohnpei. Kamutan pagpagwat report sang Senador Ricky Carl Pwuhng Chairman and Morning o Usus Kuyawiya ni Usus Release A o social media. Kamutan pagpag nando tapuli sa kasu labinyari sa Pwuhng sang Senador Ricky Carl, Chairman and Morning, mabit Pwuhng China. Pwuhng China test sa pamaray misil yung sang non-submarine beat on Pacific Ocean yaki achay labinset. Tombing ani punot lawat pwede achay kasaneti China rechay. And sansan memorin mawon karyaw, Pwuhng Pacific kan Coros, eubene o kasaneti me nandabinset in Pacific we are free zone. Mukit me Pwuhng China we are pochela line. Tataw kwach kaya nga Pohnpei na kabaran mawon, irawach kapandala ong we are kupur and ranwach. Niyara, Block Asak Minich Asak Limao, Taudi, and July, Risak Eo, Pahrek at Risak Pwuhng. Iray winning ko sa net kaysa ka Pachawan siya lang at nasa pamaray. Chungad, uya naman ang karisak tuwaw ng Bela Colonia. Sa Pohnpei Speaker Kadkadaur sang Senator Albert Perez. Sa Pohnpei State Legislature Chief Clerk Cup may Pachawan. Memye quorum at ire orlak tayo may ire Pachawan akwali. Iragayu ye unfinished business. The ire kan may patok pasay unsak lang. Kamutan ko sunet ng bebab ko paisak tayo labinyari sa Pwuhng. May bit araw the landfill may pachanan nga kinakap matalanim o irawach ko purpulang kami diyan sa o committee pan report long na area report mo rin ranwach. Report watch kaptalong sang Senador Sonship Edgar met Pwuhng Chairman and sa. Kamutan ko sa net ng beslip kuri sa kwali labinyari sa Limao met bit pedyan sa met delegation and so kaya sumusaman kachikala square meter bulikit o kachoresang square meter limepit. Pero pwede kamutan ko tagla sa ikin chedet benet, kamutan ko sa neto, kupurpur lang, o kapanta lang, o kuya naman lang, and more in ranwach. Report po sa Chairman and SAP, Senator Sonship Edgar. Kamutan pagpag ng bet apwisisag sidu, labinyari sa Pwuhng, may Pwuhng China, niyaray katap, the test, niyaray missile, that intercontinental ballistic missile ng Pacific. Irawach pandan ang Japanese Embassy, Molan Wawan Pohnpei US Embassy Porangak Kalalagis Secretary Department of Defense o Secretary of State in Wayne, America. Resolution watch pankakan kasalayang sa Monchay National Government dami Pwuhng China wiwiyak o kasang walkit patarapan men Pohnpei. En Sansaria Wayne China, Wayne US or FSM Social Pwuhng Market Watch. Report was Sansan the Ricky Carl or Sus Piawi, Nusus Race the Priao A. Iragariao Bil Calendar. Kamutan ko sa net ng baba ko sa Pohnpei, Labanyari sa Pohnpei, may bit men pay day. When Abolium 5 Speaker Senator Abram or Floor Leader Alfredson Lator. Irawach Pachulanga Committee and Judiciary and Governmental Operations, Senator Albert Burrs, Pachulanga Chairman, or report and Apuyawin and Ira and Wiyamanam Choro Watch. Because net watch Kamanamanda and what KU, or Kopurpula Committee and Judiciary and Governmental Operations. Kamutan ko sa net ng pagkakuli sa tuwa o Labanyari sa Pohnpei, may big one-stop clear Kapandalar o Pupurpurlang Committee and Judiciary and Governmental Operations. Nipulak ASAP Military sa Limao Taudi, winan ko sa net kaysa kayo, kachawan siya langan na sa Palmaray, biyalamanang choro kari sa tuwa ng Bela Balak Kolonia. Sa Pumachay Speaker, Yamamachi, kachawan Kadkadaur Lolo Sangwambaron, the Senator Shelton Ned. Apoy kaya may quorum ira aralat tayo iray pachawan kachi. Standing Committee report ng District Kuwali sa Riau, Labanyari sa Pohnpei, may bit kamodan pagpag may bit kalanquid. Report watch kapandalang ong wayakupur and ranwatch. Unfinished business de irehan makatawa sa ikong lang. Kamutan ko sa net number, silip ko rin sa kwalo Labanyari sa Limao, o ang karya o kayong sa lang wadawat may bitpilin sa may pacho palikil, so kayas o pwede ire sa chingkane sa ikong sa pene o anaan ben national government and yung apali ay rawatch kapantalang o nguya kupur ay murin rahan watch. Iragas doon yung ipil calendar, kamutan ko sa net number, pagwali sa tuwa Labanyari may bit one-stop clearinghouse. Ban sawa sa the Kachakala Stretching o Irawach Kopurlang Committee and Judiciary and Governmental Operations, na Senator Nelbet Perez, Kachawan may Chairman. Kamutan ko sa net ng BFPC sa Limao, Labanyari sa Pohnpei, may bit Kokotan, Pohnpei Hospital Diagnosis Center, na banka apali sa umang may anane kachep sa chingkanini o sabis chekan may anane ong sa umang. Irawach kapantala o kamding rosanwa na Senator Shelton Ned Pachong Chairman ang kak-eong palikan o report Apwiyaw. Kamutan ko sa net ng BFPC sa Visu, Labanyari sa Pohnpei, may bit muy dan grant the money when got apali sa Vicente Conslasin o chonta do misay kaledi isay san aray ko katatawagan. Report watch sang Senator Ricky Carl Pachong Chairman o usus kuyawiyan ni usus race sa kayo A o kamutan ko sa watch alanta. Irechoro, Public Works, Transportation and Communication and Chef Chiquita to Kanalakan. Report watch sang Chairman and Moni. Senator Ricky Carl. Senator Francisco Simram, Kachawan Bagay, Roberto and Wiyawiyong, Roberto on one morning. Yo, me pachalang offices and sopes or report site Wiyawito, Ren Winning Gogosonet, report with some Vice Chairman in Social Services, Culture, Traditional and Historic Preservation, Senator Simram. Senator Edgar W. Liganet report on Mepit Irailoko, Mayang Tacheng APIL, the Association of the Pacific Island Legislature, Mawiyawan Wayne Kidibech, or Wiya Araitungal Kaping, where Kumway and Yang Tacheng, or Iregan Koros Merapachawan Koros Poita. Irairakan Mepachem ABIL, the Honorable Speaker Marvin T. Yamaguchi, Floor Leader Alfredson Latore, Senator Shelton Ned, Senator Benjamin H. Ludwig, Senator Dionisio Simon, Chief Legal Counsel Mrs. Carla Edgar, Senior Legal Advisor Mr. Thomas Beckman, o Assistant Chief Clerk Ms. Loyoshi Edward. Pulak ASAP Ministry sa Climao and July Race sa Sido Pahrek at Race sa Pwuhng. Pwuhng ko kasanlit kay sa keo, kacawan siya rangal nan sa pagmaray, kari sa tuwang yadamalam nan bay na balap kolonya. Sa pagmachay speaker, kacawan singatap tatawa kwash niya kacawan wambaron the Senator Sergeant Edgar, Lolo, and Chingat. Apoi emi quorum iratayo biray apali. Standing Council Post number 6 kuwali sa Kriyaw labunyagi sa Pwuhng mebit kanan buig. Irawat pacholong kan kuburan winning ko sinet po concern sang aramasan win Pohnpei ap medet ko sanakan medot pene o pechekpe en wiyawi ni kanini. Kawit kan me pachosang senators kan o iran kawit kan me pachosang office kan o ire kan kusan salaya. O report the communication method irawat and then lang office kan o irawat alalta. Report what sang Chairman and Environmental and Climate Relations Senator Isaac R. Standing on the report number 6 kuwali sa Sidu labunyagi sa Pwuhng mepit karakarte me iray men white in bachawan El Nino. And sansalang way bagonan Pohnpei me irawat leta committee educated chono bisang weather services and kaway ong irawat. Mr. Boyd Mackenzie o Mr. Sammy Ray ime sansal magkoko the prediction asaiting chemye El Nino. Ruwas sang obsang gapina me task force eo pang Bogota when Roberto tami bay watch pang kauno mon El Nino e bandegito. Report was sang Chairman and Environmental and Climate Relations Senator Isaac R. Standing Committee Report number 6 kuwali sa kayo labinyagi sa Pwuhng mebit ara nagtachong nangat kinakap madalinim. When Sansal may right centers kan Pahrek wasaw o pachawan in Benini aray chumal pagpag na banmena sa waslaw ang chong kusan. Irawat alata o usus kuyawi ang usus reset a report with sang Chairman and SAP Senator Sergeant Edgar. Standing Committee Report number 6 silip kuwali sa Climao labinyagi sa Pwuhng mepit kasora lang kamutan ko sa nagpolisa kisulat niya resak tayo. O insan-insan mawuya naman ang enmesen ko sa netwatch kuyawan ni may resak tayo in Garwatch. Report watch sang Chairman and Rosan Ma, Senator Shelton Net. Pilkalanda, kamutan ko sa net ng datapo kay sa tayo na kunyari sa Pwuhng o karya o kim sa klamatawat mepit ara mawiyawi. When kakamawayan tao and nanangusap malawat, pwede sap pinagak madalinim and kakarerigila pitslip kilmesa o autayada wasakis kon ir yung bedyan sap nanangas na ban re-regi pitriyoki chelap to pitriyoki. Report what sang kamtiyan sap Senator Sergeant Edgar o usus kuyawiyang ni usus reset A. Resolution calendar, kamutan ko sa net ng FPC sa Climao, labinyagi sa Pwuhng, mepit Pohnpei Diagnosis Center, o irawat kabandala o yakuburan mo rin ranwat sang Senator Shelton Net. Kamutan ko sa net ng tayo sa Pwuhng, labinyagi sa tayo, kamukit pa ni rawat yan, file up sang Chairman and Health, Senator Shelton Net. Kamutan ko sa net FPC sa Kualo, labinyagi sa Pwuhng, Apwanton Frank Mary, Juan Chala Riegap, Silinan, Walikit, sa Kisu, Laban Awali, Isaben, Irai Chon the Tongan, Bit Token Silasin, o Sabis Chekan, Bachen. Robot Watch Sang, Chairman and Morning, Senator Ricky Carl, o Usus Viawia, Usus Isak Tuawe. Irachoro, big Pwuhng and Pohnpei State Government on Business and Island Combo. Chairman and Committee and Monis Senator Ricky Pachuan Becky Apolipen Irawach Koran Kaktola o Apaliata. Nikulak Isak Minutes Lisak Tauli, July Raisak Kayo Pahrek at Raisak Pohnpei, Winan ko sa net and Pohnpei, Pachuan Chialanga ng sa Palmaray Uyalamalang Choro, Karisak Tuwa ng Bay Labalat Polonia, sa Palmachay Speaker Marvin T. Yamaguchi, Pachuan Pagkatak Lolo sang Senator Sunship Edgar, roll call Pwuhng o pwede miya quorum ire oralap kayo may right Pachuan Apali. Standing Committee Report. Standing Committee Report ng Beslik Tuwali sa Pohnpei med report what somanitan kamutan ko sunod ng beriyap kupay sa kwalu labinyari sa limao magkakaway peace and local food Tamuan Pohnpei and Gakpache ang nansin chungalakan maging bachota wasakan maging sapis and mga medan yung school kan o yung wini. Report what some Committee on Resources and Development, Ms. Senator Bill Edward Pwuhng Chairman. Standing Committee Report ng Bestik Kuwali sa Gusu, Labinyari sa Pohnpei, Mepit kamutan sa net tapis sa tuwaw, Labinyari sa Pohnpei. Naban Apali, Iray Chon Tatok, and Pohnpei State Government, Metadongkia Tonang and Sumbari sa Kamdian Moni o Iray Lakan Mepachapanel, o Yachi out of a reprogram Ami Nikanene Metuamech. Division of Curriculum, Instructional Development and Specialized Education, Tuwapuki Itaisak Limao. Division of Primary Education, Man Elementary School, Kit Isukki Tuwaisak Eo. Palikir Elementary School, Riyakit Walisak Silu. Sogesta Elementary School, Kit Isukki Tuwaisak Bang. Mopilo Elementary School, Kit Tuwapu Walisak Wano. Pwuhng Elementary School, Kit Isukki Tuwaisak Eo. V6AH High School, Riyakit Sisak Riyao. Matanilim High School, Riyakit Tuwaisak Eo. Division of Early Childhood Education, Nen Waligit Tabagit Isisak Silu. WDNST Tuwapki Paisak. Phil Calendar. Kamawatan ko sa net ng Dawali sa Gusu, Labinyari sa Pay, Mipit Kasuralamin ko sa net ni Kariya Wukim sa Klamatawat, Usus Kuyawiya o Baros Kuchumatan Usus Isak Tuwape. Kamawatan ko sa net ng Riyap Kupay sa Kwalu, Labinyari sa Klimao, Mipit Sinchungal and Pohnpei, and Kapachapachiyang and Sinchungal and Manwuni, o public school o kamawatan ko sa Watch Kapandala o Yakupur and Morin Ranoj. Kamawatan ko sa net na may papis istak tuwa o Labinyari sa Pohnpei, may pitwan mo ni may pantatok yung right on the tongue kan may tatong kiyang sumbar, po namin sumbar bisa. Ninduwan na kanenet yan, muni kan magaros uchumata liwatawat kayo. Report what sang Chairman and Morning Senator Ricky Carl. Resolution Calendar, Kamutan Bakpak ng Berkwisi sa Klimao, Labinyari sa Pohnpei, Mabit Pohnpei Diagnostic Center, Kapurpulang Kamtiyan Rosanma, o Report to Morin Ranwich. Kamutan sa Network sang Chairman and Rosanma, Senator Sheldon G. Nair. Kamawatan ko sa net ng Beriyap Kupay sa Kwalu, Labinyari sa Limao, Mabit Kaway Pen Local Food, Takmongan, Pohnpei, and Kapachpachang Nansin Chungalkan, Maban Pachoyang Irailakan, Mabat Pachonan Manwini. Iran Kaway, may rice and doors kan Kaway Pener, o Kamutan ko Taklamina. Kamudan wak tagla ng pepapis lisel kayo labanya sa pono wase chungalagan and gakchep damas numunwini. Usus kuyawiyan ni usus isa kwalu euso ni watawat karya o kayo sa klang watawat. Report long Sam Senator Bill Edward. Standing committee report ng district ko wali sa kwalu labanya sa pono. The Bitstow San office the Van Bachelor sa Pohnpei Vice Speaker o Floor Leader and Kapandala Ong Yakubot and Modern Language. Report with Sam Chairman in Judiciary and Governmental Operations Senator Albert Perez. Standing Committee report ng District Kuwali sa Tuwao Labanyagri sa Pono. The Big Chen Warakan the Bachelor Negadan Arakan and Kapandala Ong Yakubot and Language. Irachorol Project kami kamanaman sa Pohnpei State Legislature, Public Auditor and Audit Oro Posto and Sukarwaro. Irawat sa Senator Ricky Crow, mabachong yung Chairman and Moni. Amedjed, Audubon Watch na Legislature, kalangan o kasadeye may po.
Good morning at Audubon Program and Roman Weekends in the Legislature, Pwuhng Promotion, Sun Radio, Pohnpei, Radio V6AH, Land Station, Military Sakisu, County Lobistu. Chairman Tabani and Postman Program and Commercial Promotion, Legal and Food and Pohnpei President.
Pagkatan mawang Pwuhng ramas Seliroro Kinte Sarawin
Or Yo, Miguel, RBY alongside. Just wanna share. What a kid. Bless. Tell them, Mig. Boom.
Ilang mas kalaraniaya Obirong ilang kisiniyanga Obinilokin ng mata Pechi pinusumara Opichupekan karos Opimen keret koro Opimen pir karos Hiyaw tupen sampa Ilang mas kalaraniaya Obirong ilang kisiniyanga Obinilokin ng mata Pechi pinusumara Opichupekan karos Opimen keret koro Opimen pir karos Hiyaw tupen sampa Pagkikijay larabas Mewiye memor sampawe Anki kaparaporan Kimelele John Mejeyong mejikan Pagkikijay larabas Mewiye tatok sampawe Jipanan jiyong ay puko Uwak jikijik Pagkikijay larabas Mewiye memor sampawe Anki kaparaporan Kimelele John Mejeyong mejikan Pagkikijay larabas Mewiye tatok sampawe Jipanan jiyong ay puko Uwak jikijik
Sanggaras kuburan gauno Imegabigada lango samba Kachigiyang adabakoros Melelang kumiyongay Karyang ay pangkinachiyang Pangkinan tikanen naman Limpakong mechikan O karakara Sanggarus kuburan gauno Imegabigada lango samba Kachigiyang adabakoros Melelang kumiyongay Karyang ay pangkinachiyang Pangkinan kikanen naman Limpakong mechikan O karakara Pagkikijay na ranas Memamor sang kawet an ki ka paraparan ki malay chon me cheyang me chikan wegi ki chayla ramnas ne wiye tatak sang kawet ikana chiyang ay buka o ak chikichi wegi ki chayla ramnas ne mamor toy sam kawet an ki ka paraparan ki malay chon me cheyang me chikan wegi ki chayla ramnas ne wiye tatak sam kawet ikana chiyang ay buka o ak chikichi
Kalangan ko por Forest May kung may nagsinikam kawit sa radio Pohnpei na station and substation manage isa kaya 1 o'clock 1.
No.
Let's work together to keep Pohnpei clean and safe. Practicing the 4 R's, refuse, reuse, reduce, and recycle, is an effective way to keep our environment safe and sustainable. The Office of EPA is advising the public to join us and take pledge to commit 30 days of reducing the use of single-use plastics and disposable items. We must choose to refuse single-use every day and be aware that reusable alternatives are everywhere. This message has been prepared by the Office of Environmental Protection Agency and brought to you by V6AH Radio Station. If you have any questions, please call telephone number 3201780. Thank you. Kachay leo bana kolokol makalakal and sa pumachayil Pohnpei niya chayil pantatongi takayana kung kachayil tatongi laban lokaya bugach miye 4 R's. Refuse, reduce, reuse, or recycle. Mewewegi kakakinta tapachawan so ang kitsali tawiya mokitan kasam nila paywatch. Kachikala kitsali tawiya mokitan kasam nila paywatch. Kachaylang kak pleo tatongi ta makakuya kamawang kachayil o kolokol makalakal. Takak enoneta uya papugach mepaninan sa wasata makalakal and kak pachabach paywatch. Option EPA mangkabasa yung way pakon. Kachayla neo pano kaya na yung aman kachayl nan inaw eo mepitatak kachikala tatong plastic tasong chikan mepangkak kasam nila paywatch arayin ran silisak tasong bungeo. Kachaylang kak tatong kitupsokan mepangkak sa kachikala chayl tatong plastic o kasampal ki o lororo kung makalakalin sa machayl paywatch o ang mamauron ranach o lakak. Mayang kapasa watch konaptas ang option Pohnpei Environmental Protection Agency o PPW sa V6AH Radio. Mamya sabol mo irang kay nama kung call telefon number Siluriao 0 Isagusu Walisa Kalangan.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing two boys from the same island of Pohnpei. Go, Jenny. Yeah. Nayasay production. Ikinjaman na masong pinsakanakan. Ang medyo tanguwe kila. Ikila ko karanchiyo ikin prinsesiyo. Wiwiyaki jeme kumenwai. Harano at chikilangu kakasalila. Paserapi melelutan kakasilin sang maso. ay masaliin. Kaiden jogowe aseriko.
Kailangan ko proparas may ko naman ng station and substation na Pwuhng kung ito pagkakaya ko namin sansan pagkaya rangway po kon sa realtors may sa rangway po kon maraming sila sili sa kayo private sa punong kapachochapan kapajigjilan sa wakan ng realtors kung kachtabachoto kung chakay kung takachiyasang ay sa wakan area chakan kisang tipsukan Price pound race structure goes and we long way. Price pound time structure goes and we long way. Super ramen charatais and we case. Patoki full ramen chara times and we chara 1 and we case. Nutrition biscuit chara is the kisus and we case. Coffee chara yaos and we fresh milk chara yaos and price Vegetable line, the cooking line, chalaos and trees sa Climao, Soyo, Pineri sa Climao, Pahrek, Saint Juan sa Cniel, the chalai sa Siluel case, I chain tissue, chalasilu sa Climao package, butane gas, Pachems, butane stove, chalai sa Kisu, Saint Louis sa Climao set. Pwede school ban chapter ako pwede school kan ban bigyan ka pwede chikla note pungkan meche istisa chalaos and trees sa Climao notebook composition chalaos and sa Climao pencil isa crayon and package chalaos and sa Climao sharpener filme sa crayon and package chalaos and sa Climao school bag kan chalai sa chaos and sa Climao pota lunch box Chala solusan ko sa Climao kota. Kochanen P, chalayo sa sa Climao. Pakayawat sa Rainforest Management, ang kailangan chorus na ba kita bacawan sa intention mo sa upungan ranwich July sa lista period at lista 1. Finish po ng may bataw niya Pwuhng na minsa.
Iyang o kasalili amain ko. May kachin ko pura. Lukpain Pohnpei, First Lady of Colonia Town. Chungol Puinelian Colonia.
City Melry, all the way from the Rawa to Pohnpei. Back to the lowland production. Mr. Benaman boy, Mr. Navze, Zay you play. Pohnpei and celebrate. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Hey! I woke up in the morning, young Pohnpei. Niko no, niko taking it away. Yagi kakuwa one day, go metao. Gay no, ni mananga mangaw. Oh my God, look at that girl. She's so fine with a beautiful eye. Will you be my Pohnpei girl? I'ma treat you right. Let me tell you, nego, I'ma give you everything. Yeah, I'ma give you what you want. Yeah, I'ma show you paradise. Yeah, no matter what it takes, girl, I'ma be right by your side. Yeah, if you wanna be my Pohnpei girl. Yeah.
Hey, Kashalali, yeah.
Yeah, my Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. Baby, you're the one that makes my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling, yeah, ding-ding-ding, ding-a-ling-a-ling, yeah, ding-ding-ding. Every night you know they go ngaye, kitukinego siki am guy. Naniga kiya, kuya da ramde. Open again the other ng perfume. It's the way they boom na ngaye. Baby, give it to me, yeah. Let me tell you, nego, I'ma give you everything, yeah. I'ma give you what you want, yeah. I'ma show you paradise, yeah. No matter what it takes, girl, I'ma be right by your side, yeah. If you wanna be my Pohnpei girl, yeah.
Hey, Kashalali, yeah.
Yeah, my Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei girl. Baby, you're the one that makes my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling, yeah, ding-ding-ding,
Give it a bop.
ding-a-ling-a-ling, yeah, ding-ding-ding.
Skin tone, brown pina colada. Sweet looks from your beautiful mama. Strong love from your handsome papa. That makes you a Pohnpei queen. Said it ain't that's the dream of any kitty best key. Hey, 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 hey. One day you're gonna they put a crown on me. I'ma build a local house and pay love on it. Change the alphabet and put I next to you. Nigga, that's the thing, yo, chung-a-ling-a-ling. Legend fusion and dinner flamingo. Wine and dine, nigga, wine and dine, nigga. But if you're tired, nigga, I can walk you back home to the Evans Hotel.
Let me tell you, nego, I'ma give you everything, yeah. I'ma give you what you want, yeah. I'ma show you paradise, yeah. No matter what it takes, girl, I'ma be right by your side, yeah. If you wanna be my Pohnpei girl, yeah.
Said it, babe, my mouth.
Yeah, my Pohnpei girl. My Pohnpei